Hi everyone, welcome back to Palette Life and I am SUMA BABU. Nature always seems to inspire many artists including you and me who don't like butterflies. They add colors to our surroundings. The way they fly shows the richness of life, joyfulness and freedom. There are hundreds of varieties of butterflies around us. They are small and large, but all are equally attractive. They represent transformation, change, hope and life. They symbolize freedom and beauty. Let's make some butterflies today. Finally, I am ready with my painting materials. I am doing canvas painting with acrylic paints. We may need different size brushes. Normally, I use this big size flat brush for the background. We may need a round brush, a liner brush and a flat brush. Flat brush is my all-time favorite. I can do the whole painting with only one flat brush. I am giving medium tone of background color on the canvas. Later on, we have to add details in the background too. Let the paint dry properly. We don't want that paint to get merged with our object. Then draw your object. Butterflies are a wonderful painting subject. It took me some time to select the reference as all of them are equally colorful. Here I am using a light paint to sketch the butterfly. Their wings have detailed patterns. I prefer not to fill color on the drawing. I like to sculpt the patterns layer by layer. It is an advanced technique, but it is time saving. We have to do a lot of merging, color mixing and pattern sketching here. If you learn butterfly anatomy properly, your painting is going to be more convincing. In this tutorial, I'll show my way of painting butterflies. You can also modify my method to paint any other butterfly. Decorate your house with beautiful butterfly painting. They add positive vibes to your house. If you like the video, do like and share with your near and dear ones. Those who are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press that bell icon too, so that you will get instant notification whenever I post my new video. See you soon with yet another new video. Until then, take care, bye and happy painting.